Hello, dear students. Welcome to Neet Shala. From today onwards, we are going to give you some small topics. You have to just once hear this video, and after that, quickly go and revise on your NCERT book. The same will be there in Hindi as well. So, kindly, English students, first pay attention. So, talking about ASCII helminthes. ASCII helminthes, it is known as roundworm because the body is circular. Now, they may be free living, aquatic, and terrestrial or parasitic in plants and animals. The other three important characteristics which in a go you have to memorize is they are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, pseudocoelomate. Now, alimentary canal, it is complete with well-developed muscular pharynx. And for excretion, what they have is excretory tube, which removes body waste from the body cavity through this excretory pore. Now, quickly, we have to revise this, so I'm a bit fast. They are dioecious, and now you can distinguish females from males as females are often longer than males. Fertilization, internal development, which may be direct or indirect, and examples you will have Ascarius, which is known as roundworm, Wuchereria, which is known as filarial worm, and Ancylostoma, which is known as hookworm. Okay, so this was about your ASCII helminthes. Next, we have phylum Annelida. Now, phylum Annelida, they may be marine, means they may be aquatic or terrestrial, free living, and sometimes parasitic. Whereas for ASCII helminthes, they were quite more generally parasitic. Now they exhibit organ system level of body organization. They are again bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, metamerically segmented, and coelomate animals. These points just you have to memorize, okay? That they are triploblastic, segmented, coelomate, whereas ASCII helminthes were pseudocoelomates. Now, the body is distinctly marked out into segments, which is known as metamers, and therefore the phylum is known as Annelida. Now, Annelida, they possess longitudinal and circular muscles which help in locomotion, very important. And aquatic annelids will have parapodia. Parapodia, for example, Nereis. It is an aquatic, so it will have Nereis. And now, a closed circulatory system is present, nephridia. Nephridia will help in osmoregulation and excretion. Neural system consists of paired ganglia, which is connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. Now, the aquatic form is dioecious, but earthworm and leeches are monoecious. Reproduction, sexual. Now, again, example. See here, from here only you can memorize Nereis is one example, earthworm is the other, and blood sucking leech, which is Hirudinaria, is the other example. Now we come to the phylum, which is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia, which is known as Arthropoda. So Arthropoda includes insect. It is largest phylum. 2/3 of all named species on earth are arthropods. They have again organ system level of organization, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, segmented, and coelomate. The body of arthropods is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. They have jointed appendages. Please memorize it. Respiration organs. What are the respiratory organs? They are gills, book lungs, or tracheal system. Circulatory system is open here. Sense organs are antenna, eyes. Eyes can be compound or simple, and they have statocyst which help in balancing. Excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules, and they are mostly dioecious. Okay. Now fertilization, usually internal. They are mostly oviparous development, which may be direct or indirect. Their examples are given. You can see honeybee, silkworm, lassifer, all these are economically important, whereas vectors, yeah, ये vectors तो we all know, Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes. Whereas gregarious pests include Locusta, and living fossil is Limulus, king crab. Please memorize it. you can expect questions because Locusta they had asked in 2020, and from Bombix, which is silkworm, they had asked in 2019. So please memorize. And this was a quick revision series, which was not more than of 5 minutes. We quickly revised. Now it's your task to memorize NCERT, and the same video will be given in Hindi as well tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.